Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 7th of September 2023. I hope you had a good trading today, especially on the just after the news. But see what's happened, and our levels were played as accordingly. Right. So let me share my screen with you, and we take it from there. But as you can see that we had a I hope you had a good trading day, guys. And as I expected the market to come down. If the market comes down to this level, it did. And let me mark these levels. We can still expect the market to come down to 1914 level. And I said the market can come up to this level, which it didn't. However, tested this level, as I said, in 15 minutes, there was a fair value gap. The market didn't quite hit the fair value gap. However, it came to the higher point here just before the news, and market went down. And also there was a good trading opportunity here as well in 15 minutes, buy opportunity. So market did test the pivot level, which is 1930 level. Right. So that was according to our analysis, pivot level 1930, and we could have taken smaller time frame, we could have taken opportunity there because it was a pivot level and it's Asian high as well as the market didn't quite hit the top of the fair value gap. That is fine. Market will swept the liquidity in the Asian high, market straight away come down. Now let's see what next. Tomorrow we have some news as well. And if the news are negative, then we can expect the market to go to the upside. And just the fair value gap, it might be filled. 1120 level. And also we did a 1930 level and other level 1935 level. So the maximum I would expect it can go is 1940 level. However, we go step by steps. Market make movement in steps, not just at one go. So if we reach here, then we expect what's the next move, and we'll keep going to the upside or to the downside and vice versa. As you can see that this is another level here. These are different levels. And tomorrow is Thursday, second last day of the week. And if the news are too much negative, then we can expect a weekend to the lowest with 1885 level. And as I mentioned in my previous video, that the market is Fibonacci. There was a Fibonacci level. Market is rejected from there. So now, let's see. In this case, what is it? Yes. So this is the Fibonacci level here around 1910. So we can see some rejection here. And gold market go to the upside before it comes down further down. Right. So that's what is the situation. And as you know, the gold is bearish in monthly as well. Well, we always are looking for the bearish trades, especially for the long-term trades, are all bearish. Weekly, you can see there's a rejection here. Anyway, we already discussed. If you regularly watch my videos, know that. Now, best time not to trade, best thing not to trade at this time of moment is 5 o'clock, nearly UK time, and see what happened next. Is always about the management of the trade and how you react to the situation. Analysis is one thing, and then it's management and controlling yourself, when to exit, when to enter the market, and managing the risk. If you master these things, you will be very successful. See what's happening in Dixie. Dixie in 1 hour, as you can see, it broke this level, and now let's go and higher time frame and see what's the clear picture of it. So it rejected from this level. Let me mark this. So that's a level here. Now, 1 hour time frame, it's possible that it retest this level and go back, or even come down, enter into the zone and test this level. So nothing is final. We have to see how the market behaves. As you can see, the market can quite easily test this fair value gap area and then move to the upside. And vice versa, it can come down as well. So we have to see the price action. And that's what the Dixie is. And if the Dixie keep coming down, then we can expect the move to the upside. And which is possible that if Dixie comes further down, we can see this fair value gap. The market can go 1920 toward 1920. So that is the situation at the moment in terms of Dixie. And Forex Factory, we have we've got 1:30 p.m. unemployment claims, and CAD we have 6:55 p.m. So this is a heavy impact news. 1:30 p.m. CAD may affect normally affects the gold price as well. AUD does. AUD, then we got AUD low impact news, and the rest of the news of the different currencies. So let's see how the market, if we combine news factor with the Dixie price and then we analyze our charts, it will be very helpful to make a good probability trades. Right, so I leave it to you guys. I hope this is useful, and always keep learning, and there's no end to learning, and practice is the main thing if you want to make profits. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.